Yes. So in English, we show possession to whom something belongs by adding apostrophe S to the end of a word. In Spanish, we show possession by using the preposition, what? De. For example, to say Maria's shoes, we say los zapatos de María. It literally translates to what? The shoes of Maria. Okay, so in the past when we've had to do our writing, you may have said, oh, Maria's shoes, or zapatos, or Maria's novio. Okay? You're no longer allowed when you're writing to do the apostrophe S because now you're learning how to do it the correct way in Spanish. Okay? So we have a formula. Does anybody like math? Formulas? No? Oh, well, here we go anyway. Here's your formula. You ready? The plus thing plus of plus the owner. The thing of the owner. Now I need to translate that into Spanish. So there are 4 ways to say the in Spanish. 4 ways. Because we have things that are masculine, feminine, and then singular and plural. Okay, so we have masculine, singular, masculine, plural. Feminine, singular, feminine, plural. Okay, so what are the 4 ways to say the? La? Is that what you said? Okay. El. No. That's she. It's okay. Well, I mean, I understand where you were going with that because she said el, right? He, but it's not the, is it with the one with the accent or without? Without the accent is the, okay? So we have el and la. Those are both the singular forms. Los. And what's the other one? Las. Yes. And how do we say of? De. Yes, thank you. El, la, los, las. Those are all the ways to say the. We're leaving the thing blank because the thing will change every time. Typically. Okay? So we're not always going to be talking about someone's house or someone's shoes or someone's whatever. Okay? Thank you. Oh, go ahead and grab. You can go ahead and grade 4 through 8. Thank you. Some of them want to do. Okay, you're always going to have de here, and then the owner's going to change, right? Because it's not always going to be Maria's something. It could be Ellie's something or Rex's something, okay? Now, let's literally translate el amigo de Maria. How do we say el amigo de Maria in literal translation in English? The friend of Maria. In parentheses, you have Maria's friend because that's how we would typically say it in English. I just want you to start practicing writing it this way so that you can think, oh yeah, I'm supposed to write it some other way. What about la casa de mis padres? The house of my parents, or my parents' house, in parentheses. Are we okay so far? Pretty easy? Okay, los animales de David. En inglés? How do we say los animales de David? The animals of David. David's animals. There's an exception to this rule. If you want to say my something, or your, what do you think goes there? Something, yes. How do we say I in Spanish? Yo. How do we say you in Spanish? Tú. You cannot say el libro de yo or el libro de tú. Okay? The only way to say my something or your something is to use the Spanish equivalent of the word me or tú. Those are your options. Me? What do you think me is? My? Tú? Your. So how do you say my house? Mi casa. Now, even though this word is a feminine word, you do not have an A at the end of me. It's not mia casa. It's just mi casa. However, it changes when there's more than one thing that you possess. So if it's my books, what do you think it could be? Anybody want to take a guess? Do what? I think I heard it. You say it louder. Mis. You add an S to it. What about your house? Tu casa. Your books. Tus libros. Pretty easy? Does everybody get it?